Chevrolet Bolt EV production is under pressure, it is delayed again. Will this be the last delay? Who knows? Things are not looking good for the future of the Chevrolet Bolt EV and Bolt EUV. Production of these models at GM's Orion assembly plant in Michigan has been halted since last August due to the $2 billion recall over battery fire concerns. 1 second, before we start the video, kindly subscribe to this channel. That will motivate us to make more videos like this. Your support is very important for us. Only you can help us to reach the next milestone. Now, let's get started. Battery supplier and major GM partner, LG Chem, has picked up most of the recall's cost. Still, it's been something of a PR nightmare for an automaker who's going all in on electrification. The Bolt is several years old now and does not utilize the new Ultium battery tech and architecture found on new models like the GMC Hummer EV. Following several delays regarding a production restart, it appears there's another one. GM has confirmed Bolt production is now slated to begin again on April 4th. Supposedly, production restart dates have been announced several times before, only for them to be delayed. Don't be surprised if the April 4th date doesn't stick. We appreciate the patience customers have shown throughout the recall, GM spokesman Dan Flores said in a statement. We remain committed to Bolt EV and EUV, and this decision will allow us to simultaneously replace battery modules and resume retail sales soon, which were strong before the recall. Chevy dealerships are probably happy about the news because they'll finally be able to start selling Bolts again this spring. Even if they have some in stock, they're forbidden from selling them due to the stop sale order. These units cannot be sold until they receive entirely new module replacements or go through a comprehensive software checkup. Sooner or later, both Bolt body styles will be discontinued in order to make space for new EVs that Orion Assembly has been tasked to build. These include the Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra EVs, beginning in 2024. The facility will first need to undergo updates in order to churn out 360,000 of these trucks every year. Bolt production will supposedly take place during plant renovations. Think of the Bolt as simply a placeholder model until the fully electric Equinox goes into production for the 2024 model year. What do you think about this? Let me know this by commenting below. I would love to see them. I can go through your comments and share my feedback. Thanks for watching this video completely. Kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Thanks again, have a great day.